If you're trying to change your Epic Games profile picture, here's the important update for 2026. As of April 2026, Epic Games does not let you upload a custom profile photo or avatar. Instead, your account will usually show a default letter icon based on your username. So if you've been looking everywhere for an upload button, you're not missing it, because that option simply isn't available right now. In this video, I'll quickly show you what you can do instead, where to check your account settings, and how to make sure your Epic Games profile still looks as clean and professional as possible. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel a lot. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website, then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click your profile icon in the top right corner and head into your account settings. From there, look for the profile section. This is where many people expect to find an image upload option, but on Epic Games, that option is not available for custom profile pictures. What you will usually see is your default display icon, which is generated from your account name. In some cases, you may be able to adjust your display name or other account details, but not a custom avatar image. That means, if you want to change how your Epic Games account appears, your best options are to update your display name, make sure your account information is correct, and use a consistent username across platforms. If you're using Epic Games for Fortnite, Rocket League, or other connected services, your profile appearance may also depend on the game itself, rather than a separate profile picture setting. So if you don't see an image change anywhere, that's completely normal. Epic Games currently keeps profile customization very limited for account avatars. A lot of people search for a way to add a custom image, but the current system does not support that feature. The safest thing you can do is avoid third-party websites or tools claiming they can unlock custom Epic profile pictures, because those are often misleading and can put your account at risk. So to summarize, you cannot directly change your Epic Games profile picture to a custom photo as of April 2026. The account will default to a letter-based icon, and there is no official upload option available. If Epic Games ever adds this feature in the future, it would likely appear inside your account settings on the official website. If this tutorial saved you some time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy gaming guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.